Most probably you have heard of the Cosrx Snail Mucin, and there's 90% chance you are using it already, or maybe you are planning to buy it. Now the question is, are you using it correctly, or do you know all that needs to be known about this powerful skincare product to get maximum benefits from it? Like for example, the best time to use it, or if you can use it with retinol, vitamin C or exfoliating acids? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to your and my channel Beauty Melange, our personal space where we talk about life and skincare and hair care and well-being and positivity. So yes, as its name suggests, it contains 96% pure snail secretion filtrate. Cause those cute and humble snails, when under stress, secrete chemicals that can have massive hydrating benefits on the skin and healing properties as well. However, Cosrx is cruelty free and they don't harm the snails. Also, if the snails get too scared or they feel too threatened, they instead secrete harmful chemicals, opposite of what is desirable in skincare. I know there's a yak factor here, but if you get past that, because snail secretion after being collected is purified and filtered anyway, you enter into a whole new world of snail mucin worshippers. Please don't go about putting snails on your face. Risky. Now coming to the more important part, a Q&A on your most frequently asked questions. Talked about my experience also, don't miss that. So snail mucin itself is not very well studied yet. Dr. Iglesias, a radiation oncologist, found that snail mucin or snail secretion can trigger healing and regeneration of skin of patients suffering from radiation related skin irritations and burning. Snail slime consists of chemicals like superoxide dismutase, glutathione S-transferase, which are amazing antioxidants, and also it has copepeptides, allantoin, hyaluronic acid, etc. that together can have massive hydrating benefits and also some anti-aging benefits. Yay! There's also a study I could find where 25 women used a snail cream on one side of the face and an inactive cream on the other side for 12 weeks. And guess what? Researchers found significant reduction in wrinkles where the snail cream was applied after 8 weeks of daily use. It's found snail mucin does contain glycolic acid, but in very little quantity, so no, it won't offer any significant exfoliation benefits. You can use it both day and night after cleaning your face and after using a toner if you are using one. And however, if you have oily skin and if you are living in a hot and humid climate that often turns you into a shining disco light ball, you may want to avoid using it in the mornings. And that brings us to my favorite part. Now we already know that vitamin C finds it very difficult to penetrate into the skin properly. So although snail mucin is an essence and an essence is applied ideally before a serum or any other products, but we have no data as of now as in how snail mucin may or may not interfere with the skin penetration of vitamin C. Thus, an expert approved way is to check the thickness of the vitamin C serum. If it's lighter than the snail mucin, then it goes first and vice versa. Personally, I have noticed that when I apply the snail mucin before applying my vitamin C serum, I tend to get less irritation. So that's something I do only when my skin feels a bit sensitive. So this was for water-based vitamin C serums. Now, if your vitamin C serum is oil-based, yes, there are some wonderful oil-based vitamin C derivatives out there. So in that case, you want to apply the snail mucin first and then apply the vitamin C serum, because water-based products are applied before oil-based ones. As for retinol, generally they come as oil-based serums or in cream forms, so yes, snail mucin goes first. Keep a gap of at least 5 minutes for it to absorb into the skin well though. You can also layer snail mucin with other actives like niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, etc. following the same thinner to thicker rule. Exception is for exfoliating acids like AHAs or BHAs, because exfoliant acids are best applied on clean and dry skin first before applying any other serums. That way they can work the best. You can apply snail mucin after acids, keeping a gap of about 10 to 20 minutes and letting the acids penetrate and work effectively. Now I'll share my experience. So I applied it one fine evening with a lot of hope and expectations in my heart, and boy, it didn't break my heart. The first thing that amazed me, it absorbs so quickly and vanishes into the skin, leaving no stickiness. The next morning I woke up with an unusually soft and dewy and plump skin, expected because it is a hardcore hydrator. Now whenever my face tends to get a little sensitive, I use it and it can definitely soothe and calm down the skin. As for the antioxidant benefits, you can only notice it after many years. So yes, most probably I'll make another review video, update video on this after say 10 years. But as of now, it's got the scientific data, it's got amazing reviews from users all over the world. So yes, I do recommend this, especially if you have dry and sensitive skin. So that's it for now. If you feel I deserve it, please do subscribe to my channel and feel free to comment down below, sharing your experience with Snell Mucin. And thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.